Hey everyone, in this video we will showcase the social leaderboard feature. This is a great feature for both experienced traders as well as beginners, and we feel that a lot of people will benefit from this feature. If you're a beginner, you can view leaders on this page along with their historical performance and details of their asset allocation strategy. You can even chat with them if you decide to track or clone them. You can track multiple leaders, but you can only clone one. Tracking means that when a leader makes a change to their asset allocation, you immediately get notified. Cloning means that when a leader makes a change to their asset allocation, the changes immediately get propagated to your exchange account as well in a proportionate manner. So you're essentially automatically copying the leader at all times. This really helps beginners make better trades and be possibly more profitable since they're cloning experienced traders. Now, what is in it for traders and why should they take care of their performance? Two things. One, they get paid per month per cloner, so if someone has multiple cloners, they can earn quite a bit from the platform. And two, they get to participate in monthly contests. These will be mostly trading competitions using Capfolio funded accounts. Winners get to keep part of the profits. More to come shortly. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll go through the news and research section.